Check that I lost with a guy. You already know the vibe. Come on, we outside.
Would you look who pulled up?
Hey man, I'm the GOAT master. This morning I woke up really early and I went to Advanced Auto Parts and I changed my axle in the parking lot of Advanced.
Axle number what?
17.
There's too many fingers.
You got here this morning?
I just got here.
Who dropped you off?
I drove here in first, third, and fifth.
Oh, the car was, oh yeah.
Would you look at this guy?
Just take pictures of it and then take the wheels off.
Yo, hey, yo! I'll kill you.
No, you won't.
Oh, that boy got some burbles. Yeah, y'all remember last video how he said he was gonna fit it? I think he fit it. I think he fit it. Hey, yo.
Tell me how it feels, man.
So what, have a car that doesn't drive?
No, cause niggas grew up like, damn, I'm build my shit don't work, shit don't look crazy.
Jesus.
That's a little bacon bit.
Just a little pull.
Yeah.
On the floor, first of all.
Yeah, that's on the ground.
Exhaust on the ground. All right.
I got it exhausted.
Why you ain't drive that shit on?
Nigga, where did you drive? Hey, yo. Crazy, bro. I already went ahead and took out the center console with the shift boot. This isn't a stock shifter. This is actually a Buddy Club short shifter. And I think I made a video on it. I don't even know. It was a long time ago. Still gonna keep this one. We gotta replace the shifter cables. One of the shifter cables is right here. See the other shifter cable down there, right there. We got both the shifter cables on hook. For both the shifter cables, you just gotta turn this black piece counterclockwise, so to the left. You gotta keep turning it until it gives it leeway and you're able to push it out to the left. And this side, same thing. You twist it to the left till it gives you enough leeway to push it all the way to the right. This is the heat shield for the downpipe right here. Push that grommet out. 2 10s right there, holding the shifter cables in place. There's another 10 nut up here above the heat shield. Once you get those loose, it's pretty easy, honestly. Everything just come down. Now I'm about to loosen it from up front, and hopefully I'm gonna just pull it out from inside. Hey. These are the old shifter cables. Trash, bro. Trashed. That's crazy.
You might know how to switch gas to water, to like run a car on water. I heard that you could just put E85.
E85, boy.
Oh, word? You can just put 85 and it's gonna work?
E85 and it's gonna work.
Just put it, it's gonna work?
Wait, so I turn on now?
No. Oh, my bad. I didn't see behind you.
I was gonna go in the camera car.
Let's leave it, man. Let's leave it. Come on, man.
If y'all don't see, we got the GoPro mount that gives you like a video game camera angle. That shit's crazy.
Where's that?
They don't keep gassing the car, bro. They always putting $10 at a time, man. You gotta go E85.
I keep telling them that.
E85,
They ain't
goes
fucking with
over.
it. E85, boys. Pineapple fence, you know that. Yo, leave me alone, bro.
I asked you a simple question. How much are you? The amount of the pack in the left?
Look like Stevie Wonder, nigga.
Go ask my house to get ugly. I could do like ice at the sun. Think I'm locking that dummy.
We got the shifter cables from Hybrid Racing. Again, thank you, David, for sending them out so quick. Appreciate it. FedEx was acting up and they delayed it by a day, but still came really quick. Let's go ahead and take these shifter cables out the box. So here we have the Hybrid Racing shifter cables compared to the stock. Made a lot stiffer. Quality compared to OEM is just a lot better, bro. Bushings are made out of rubber like OEM. Here, I think they're like...
Stop playing with them, Ryan.
I don't even know what it is, bro. If it is rubber, it's really hard rubber, so just have to take the brackets off of the OEM shifter cables and transfer them to the hybrid shifter cables. All right, so we got everything lined up. I transferred all the brackets and the grommets exactly how they were lined up from the OEM one, if that makes sense. Hammer right here was right there. Bracket that's here was right there. It's pretty quick and easy, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and install them right now. All right, guys, as you can see, we got the shifter cables installed. Show y'all what it looks like from inside. Gear selecting feels so much better, bro. I'm gonna show y'all, look. Bro, you hear that shit? Precise. Guys, as you can see, the hybrid shifter cables are in. A little bit of a pain to put in because I have this huge turbo air intake in the way. If you don't have that in the way, it should be a lot easier. Pull towards you and secure it with that release clip right there. It's a lot cleaner, looks a lot better. I'm happy I installed these. Just go through the gears in the car. Just sit down in the driver's seat. You good? Alright, y'all, so as you can see, the car's back on the road, working properly, everything's good, driving how it should be, man. Let me get y'all a sniff of that E85 real quick. Smell good, man. But yeah, it's back up and running how it's supposed to be. The hybrid shifter cables, oh my god. I'm not even gonna lie, bro. If you really want a better driving experience for your 9th gen, I cannot stress this enough. Just drop the brand on the hybrid shifter cables. That's all I'm gonna say. The difference is literally night and day. So yeah, don't mind my monster can. That's my oil catch can. Don't worry about that. You see them down there. They're definitely doing their job and more. This shit loud as hell. I remember when I was replacing the clutch, Terrell ran over my air intake.
Oh my god.
So I got a new one. It sounds completely different with a new air intake, bro. I think it's running a little bit more boost than before, just because I tightened all the couplers. So. Now that we installed the cables, let's go ahead and take this for a little rip. I already tried it out and I know it's a night and day difference. I don't know if you could really display it over camera. I'm gonna try to the best that I can. These actually gonna be on sale on the website soon. I'm gonna drop more info about these on my IG, along with the step out banners I got outside. Y'all voted on IG. Y'all say y'all wanted gloss black and matte black. I'm also finna be at Clean Culture, so if y'all gonna pull up to support. If y'all wanna just pull up for the whip, for the vibes, just to see me. I know a lot of the boys should be going to the show. It should be good. It's in Orlando with the flyer on the screen, so. It's the first drive on the GoPro with the Iron Man action clutch too, so let's see. Really harsh though, like. You have to use a lot of gas here. This shit is heavy duty. I'll get used to it. Shifts feel amazing, bro. Don't judge me too. My alignment f***ed up. This shit is gone. Alright, let's drive. You see how smooth that shit goes in and out of every single gear though, bro? I don't know how to explain it. It's smooth and notchy at the same time. Like, it's precise as f***. Like, you know, automatically you gonna know what gear you in, bro. That shit is so much better than OEM, bro. It's seamless, bro. It's literally literally seamless, bro. I don't even know how to explain this shit. I'm gonna say this, and it's not just because they sponsor me. That shit is precise, nigga. Oh my god. It's like the OEM gearbox on steroids. That's what it feels like. Well, I wasn't even hitting boost, but I'm not even gonna lie, I forgot I was breaking in the clutch. I was having a little bit too much fun. Yo. Hold up. Nah, this shit lit, bro. Just changing the shifter cable just changed my whole car. I'm about to have mad fun driving this shit, bro. I'm not even gonna lie. Oh, God. I love this car, bro. It's been too long. It's been too long since I hit boost. Even when you don't hit boost, you just hear the turbo spooling, bro. Like, you just hear that shit spooling up. That shit sounds crazy. Good looking, bro. Appreciate that. Is it rap? Or is that the facts, it's rap. Good looking, bro. Appreciate that, man. She sound good, bro. This shit's clean.
I'm addicted to fashion and fashion.
Alright, so I finished. Damn, this shit dead?